UMLA ke West Shillong Bah Rapsang ulat Takrain kelai UMDC ke Jiau Bah Polling do halor ke kynnoh Biden menta UMLA halor ke jingpen kerja khar metor na them mulong syamo ba kabodan marjan bat ke TV hospital habai keren bot Bah Mahendro ulai thu busuwan ban ai jingkersian ke sarkar rei kerai basim kadai dak kenhun menteri sarkar ban penkerja andai ulapan pauru bo yang ban persyalang bat kador bat senong.
Bah had recently stated that you are also part of the decision making with regards to shifting of the Harijan colony from Them Yomolong to the TB hospital. What do you have to say?
I have to say nothing to it. Polingo should know one thing. I'm not a cabinet minister. I'm just supporting the government from outside, like all other parties supporting the government. Decision making for the shifting, it depends entirely on the government. I'm not part and parcel of the decision making in that for shifting of Harijan to my constituency. But I stand with the Garbashnam. We strongly oppose this move by the government for relocation in my constituency. But I'll tell you one thing. It'll be a very strong decision making by me when I when 2023 comes, when I'm there in as a minister. That will be a decision making by me.